Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make some curry shrimp. So here I have some medium-sized shrimp. As you can see, I sliced my shrimp, guys, and it's already washed, it's clean. So these are all of my seasoning. I have 1 spoonful of curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, everyday seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, fish seasoning, garlic powder, and I also add some scotch bonnet pepper. And the seasoning that I'm using, guys, is 1 teaspoon. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just blending all of my seasoning together. So after you blend all of your seasoning together, you're just gonna sprinkle it all over on your shrimp, and you're gonna also add your scotch bonnet pepper also. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna also add some fresh thyme, and that's the amount that I'm using. Okay, then you want to give it a good stir. Guys, make sure all the seasoning is all on your shrimp. I normally use my hand, but today I'm gonna use a fork. You can use your hands or a spoon, it's up to you, but just make sure all the seasoning is all on your prawns, because that's very important. Okay, so I changed my fork to a spoon. I think the spoon is more easier to use than the fork, so I have to change it. Yeah. So my shrimp has seasoning, and that's what it look like, guys. As you can see, it is all coated with the seasoning. So these are all of my herbs, guys. I've got half a onions, and as you can see, I cut it up. And I also have 3 cloves of chopped garlic and some chopped spring onions. And I'm also gonna add some chopped bell peppers, and as you can see, that's all the color. And I'm gonna use 1 tomato. Okay, and I'm gonna also add half a cup of coconut cream to my curry shrimp. Okay, so here I have a pot on the stove, and to my pot I add at least 3 spoonful of vegetable oil, and I'm gonna add my onions, my garlic, and my spring onions. And you're just gonna allow it to saute, guys, for at least 1 minute. Make sure your stove is on a medium heat. Okay, then you want to give it a stir. So after 1 minute, you're gonna add 1 spoonful of curry powder. Okay, then you're gonna give it a good stir. Okay, allow your curry powder to brown for at least 2 minutes. Okay, so after 2 minutes or so, I'm gonna add my coconut cream. Okay, then you want to mix it all in. Then I'm gonna add some water, and guys, it is totally optional, so please do not add a lot of water. I'm adding at least 5 to 6 spoonful, and that's it, okay? So to my pot, I'm gonna add some pimento seed, some seasoned salt, and some Cajun seasoning. And it's 1 teaspoon, okay? And guys, the pimento seed is totally optional if you don't have it, okay? Give it a stir. I'm gonna also add 1 teaspoon of ketchup, and guys, it is totally optional, okay? Then after, you want to give it a stir. Leave it to simmer for at least 4 minutes, okay? So after 4 minutes, now I'm adding my shrimp. Give it a stir. And guys, I'm telling you, it's looking so good already. Mm. I'm adding a scotch bonnet pepper on top, and guys, it is totally optional. And now I'm gonna add all of my bell peppers and my tomato. And guys, I'm gonna allow my shrimp to cook for at least 5 minutes, because you know shrimp doesn't take long, okay? So my curry shrimp is finally finished, guys, and that's what it look like. As you can see, it is nice and it is so juicy, and I love a lot of gravy, guys. So as you can see, a lot of gravy is still left back, and it's also thickened also, so that's perfect. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna plate it up for you guys and show you how it looks on the plate, okay? So this is what it look like from up close, and guys, just look at that, mouth watering, absolutely delicious. So I'm serving my curry shrimp with some plain rice, of course, and with some salad. This recipe, guys, it is so simple but yet delicious. I'm telling you, I really enjoy it. Guys, Please like this video, share it to your family and to your friends, and all over on your social media. I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget, guys, to hit that notification button, okay? Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.